Hello everyone, our names are Val and Sharmel, and today we're going to be talking to you about the harvest of the month, which is dried beans. Beans grow on small plants inside of pods, and once the pods are dried out, that is when they're ready to be harvested. Growing beans is easy. They grow during the summer and they need about 6 hours of sun per day in warm soil to grow. The perfect time to plant them is during late spring, and they take about 90 to 120 days to be ready for harvest. Fun fact, beans are self-pollinating, so seeds can be saved from plants each year and stored to be planted the next year.
And now you don't even have to go to the grocery store to get your beans anymore. Now you can grow your own beans at home. All you need are a couple of dry beans, a glass or plastic jar, paper towels, plastic wrap, water, and a toothpick. Then you just follow these 3 steps. First, wet your paper towel and put it at the bottom of a jar. Then, drop the beans into the jar and wet a second paper towel and put on top of the beans in the jar. Next, you stretch some plastic wrap over the opening of the jar and put a rubber band around the top. Then, you poke some holes in the plastic wrap with a toothpick and just wait a couple days to see any sprout. Once your bean sprout gets to about 6 inches, then you can take it out of the jar and plant it right into the ground or a pot with dirt. Now make sure you water your beans and watch them grow. Now let me tell you a little bit more about this magic lagoon. Beans are grown in many areas all around the world, including right here in New York State. The types of beans that are grown in New York include the light red kidney bean, the dark red kidney bean, black beans, and the beautiful red and white cranberry beans. Not only are beans tasty, but they are incredibly healthy. They are a nutritious source of plant protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals such as vitamin A, B, C, folic acid, iron, and magnesium. These nutrients will help keep you strong, healthy, and protect you from disease.
Before cooking beans, you need to sort them. Find all the small stones and shriveled beans and toss them out. Once that is done, dry beans need to be soaked overnight, drained, and then cooked in water. The water ratio is 4:1, and beans will double in size. 2 cups of dry beans will become 4 to 6 cups of cooked beans. After cooking the beans, they should be stored in the fridge within 2 hours of cooking them, and they should be used within 5 days. They can also be frozen for up to 6 months. Before freezing, they should be covered in water to prevent them from drying out. Beans can be consumed in many ways. Some examples are bean dip with veggie sticks, bean burgers, burritos, tacos, or chili.
Thank you so much for joining us today, and we hope that you enjoy learning about the harvest of the month. And maybe in your next meal, you can give beans a try.